Crypto Moose in the moose is loose. So we'll do a quick refresh here, and our market cap is at 1.21 trillion. So this is starting to go in a bullish momentum. So we've got 28,000 on Bitcoin. Let's look at the 24-hour here. So we'll wait for some of this to load up as well. It's starting to look pretty good. It looks like, we're starting to go up. If we can go towards 29,000 and go higher, that would be a good sign. Already, if we look on the 1-year chart, we're not doing great. But if we go to the year to date, we're up significantly, guys. So definitely this was probably the bottom, right? About 16, 17,000. It's hard to say for sure, but let's hope that we've got some momentum now going forward. And, I think it's going to take some time, but all in all, this was a good time to buy, right? So hopefully you were DCAing. Of course, we talk about Cardano quite a bit. We are definitely going to be hitting 40 cents again here soon. So if we go to the weekly chart, and my cursor is all over the place today. It's like my cursor's been drinking. So we are nearing 40 cents on Cardano, which is nice. So of course we are seeing huge headlines with a lot of people getting more Cardano, locking that up with the delegation. And of course Dogecoin is up 30%. My goodness, guys, look at Dogecoin. This is just unbelievable. 30 cents, 30% on Dogecoin. Fun fact, I bought $20 worth like 5 years ago, turned 20 bucks into 5 G's. So I think I bought some in 2017. Wish I had more money back then, but it is amazing. I'll give a shout out to my brother. And I got out at about 30. So that was just an incredible flip. But you all know you're just not the moose, right? And the moose got loose. It made an incredible flip there. So everything else is looking pretty good. Let's go to the 7-day. Solar, I don't even know what that is. Maybe comment down below what that is. And also, we are going to be doing better quality videos here on the channel. But right now, I'm working on this crypto and NFT masterclass. Look at all this content I have to film still. It's just something I've been working on. It's going to take time. So actually, everything highlighted I have filmed, but I do have quite a bit of topics to go over. So once I get that done, I'm prioritizing that. You will all know about it. So Casper's doing good. Engine's doing good. I think I still have a little bit. But again, my top holdings are still Bitcoin, Cardano, and Matic. Matic, I'm a huge fan of. And of course, you can delegate and stake some of these projects, right? So Cosmos doing very well as well. And Filecoin, this is probably going to be a good long-term bet as well. I know the Winklevoss twins got in early. This was, I believe, $100 at one point. Yeah, it was like more, 186. Man, I really hope none of you bought at 186 and it's now trading at $5. But again, this is going to be a decentralized storage project, so definitely really cool. So if you don't know, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can click on the top left here. So definitely very interesting. I also wanted to mention that if you aren't delegating to any stake pool, delegate to dApp's stake pool. So I think I have a new wallet I just set up for an online course. And yeah, you can delegate to dApp stake pool. So I do have a little bit of rewards there. And yeah, I just wanted to mention that because for all of you, it is definitely worth utilizing what you own in terms of cryptocurrencies and earning a little bit of the yield because you're the bank now in that regard. So that's all I wanted to do. Please comment down below what else you would like to see the Moose cover. It looks like we're about to go parabolic here. Maybe I'll just make a clickbait title. The Moose doesn't care. The Moose just needs views. The Moose needs more subscribers. The Moose needs more ADA. And that's all we have for you. We will see you in the next one. Comment down below and subscribe.